Hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about statements. I'm going to show you guys how to exactly use if and else statements. So let's get started. First of all, I just create a variable called temp, and this will read a temperature. I'm going to create a function to read the temperature. Let's just type enter temperature. After that, we're gonna read this number. Remember, it's going to be an integer. So we'll read this integer number. Then we're gonna create this statement. So the first thing we're gonna do is basically try to read it, try to see if this number is greater than 0. To do that, we're gonna type temp. If temp is less than 0. We're gonna type a message right here. So the temp is below 0 actually. I was gonna speak in Portuguese. So okay, so we have the first if statement. Now if I wanna add more statements together with the if, I need to put a else and another if. So in this way, I can add multiple statements. So we already know that if we get to this point, that temp it's really below 0. So we can, for example, try to see if it's below 20. So if temp is below 20, that's the temp is low actually. Just low, not that chilly, not that hot actually. So we cannot add another one. Temp is less than 30. We're gonna add a printf. The temp is cool because it's a cool temperature. And lastly, we have the else, which will be the last if. We don't need to put a if, just else. And we're gonna type the temp is high. So there you go, folks. Let's just compile and execute to see if this actually works. Let me see. Yay. Let's just type -9. The temp is below 0. Let's just change a little bit the font here. I'm gonna change to 20. Let's execute again. So let's type 5. The temp is low. We could actually show the temperature, but that's not very important. Let's just type something like 35. Remember that I'm talking about Celsius, not Fahrenheit. The temp is high. So if we're talking about Celsius, we definitely would have other measurements. Okay, guys, so this was a video. I hope you enjoyed. You guys can see it's pretty easy to aggregate multiple statements in C. So there you go. See you guys next time.